Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Emily here with another crazy tutorial. If you want to see how I did this rainbow skull, then stay tuned. So to start off with, I mapped out half of my face and then I went in with a white paint. This is Mayron Paradise Paint in white, and I just coloured in half my face. I then started to do the rainbow colours on the other side, so I started off with a purple paint and I blended that into a turquoise and then into a lime green and then a yellow at the end. I penciled my eyebrow in with purple and then I went into this really gorgeous reddy orange shade, and I put that on my eyelid on this side of my face that's white. I painted a circular area around the eye in black, so it's like a skull's eye, and I added a bit of cheekbone as well and added black drips down the neck. I created the rainbow ribcage by sponging on a rainbow of colours, and then I lightly sketched out the ribcage with a black paint, and then I coloured in the rest of the area in black. I exaggerated the difference between the white side and the rainbow side by painting a black line down the centre of my face, and I also went in with some black eyeshadow as well and shaded that to make it look 3D. I sponged some neon pink stars onto the eye of the skull, and then I went into this really nice, like a bluey grey lipstick, and I put that on the white side of my face. I then went in and painted the skull teeth, and I painted them in like pastel rainbow colours, and then I went around the edges with a thin black paint as well, and then I coloured in the jaw with neon pink and added black drips coming down. Okay guys, this is the finished look. This makeup is inspired by an artist that I follow on Instagram, which is at Callow Lily Art, and I'll pop a picture in to show you which one it is. Thank you for watching. I hope you're all doing okay. I know this is like a crazy stressful time, but yeah, I'll see you all very soon. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and if you want to be notified when I post a video, then hit the bell button as well. Bye.